the Realcomm conference show floor, and I'm with Larry Andriunas of
Thesese.
And Larry, I've had a lot of buzz about the Manhattan BIG, the Building Intelligence Group conference, and I heard you were the one that set it up.
Well, I helped get it going. Mahmood with JBB really kind of took the bull by the horns and got it going. So I was part of the big organization out of Minneapolis where it started. Brad Colt, kind of started all that. And we were talking. He said they had some people in New York interested. Tech Systems is really key in New York. And I said, I can help get that going. And I got together with Mahmood. And next thing you know, it's blown up. I mean, we had like over 100 people at our last event, and that was with all the fire and smoke that was going on. We had expected a lot more. So it's really, within 6 months, from a group of people that got together to having that kind of an event, we're pretty excited how that's come together.
It just makes so much sense to, not everybody can come to this big, great conference here in Las Vegas, but take an evening, go to one of the big conferences in your city. People can do it because the topic is very interesting to a full spectrum of roles that you can pull together locally, metropolitan region by region. So I'm a big believer too. I went to a BIG in Chicago. I know that Ben Disney was a founder there.
Yeah, exactly. And I've been to some of the Chicago events. They kind of keyed off of a lot of the exciting things that we're using. And it is like this event here at Realcomm and IBCon. It's like you're taking what's happening here, bringing it local, and getting people to talk about it, right? It's demystifying the intelligent building and getting people to understand what's working, what's not working, where can we go, and how do we get there. And it's a lot of people with a lot of energy, right? And it's great getting them all in the same place.
Agreed. Even down in Nashville. I was in Nashville last week for Haystack. And friends in Nashville, Tridium partner, open source systems, they're like, yeah, we want to start a BIG Nashville because region to region, they have different things to talk about, different approaches to how they do buildings.
Yeah, I think you really keyed on something. So BIG started out in Minneapolis. They're trying to get more and more of these chapters going across the U.S. So you should see, if you're interested, see if there is a chapter. If you're interested, put your hand up. Get it going. You don't have to do it by yourself. Get a few other people interested. And it can be as simple as some chapters meet at a coffee house, right? But we're talking about it, and it's promoting the industry and where it's going, and it's demystifying it, which I think is the most important thing.
That's right. Frank Durso, Stanford University, BIG San Jose. We're getting it going. Larry, somebody wants to get a hold of you at Tech Systems. Where do they go?
You can just go to our website and get a hold of me through there. It's tech-systems.com, and it's a New York City company. And so just get a hold of us there. If you want to go to the big website, it's buildingintelligencegroup.org. Go there and you can get a hold of them, even me through there if you want to talk about BIG. So either one.
Sounds great. Thanks, Larry.
Big